Today we will be learning how to create an animated GIF in Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin. Create new file. Choose the size you like. Open files that you wanted to create as a GIF. I already created a series of images that I will use. Drop images directly on your canvas. Make sure images is arranged on layers according to your order. Now go to Windows and choose Timeline. A bar will appear on the bottom. Click Create Frame Animation. Then click the icon on the upper left of the bar, then choose Make Frames per Layer. You can choose the speed of the animation by changing the time. Once satisfied with the speed, you can now save file as GIF. Click File, then choose Export, then choose Save for Web. Choose GIF. Then save. You now have your GIF. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon, to get notifications of new videos.